In this video, you'll learn how to use Binance Savings to earn passive income through interest on your idle assets. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand the steps necessary to select and manage savings products effectively. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once there, look for the option to log into your account. After entering your credentials and successfully logging in, find the Earn or Savings section on the main dashboard. This area is dedicated to various earning options, including Binance Savings, which is designed to help you generate passive income from your idle assets. After accessing the Savings section, you will see options for both flexible and locked savings. Flexible savings allows you to withdraw your funds at any time, while locked savings typically offers higher interest rates but requires you to commit your funds for a specified duration. Take a moment to review the minimum deposit requirements for each option to ensure your investment meets the criteria. This initial step opens up opportunities for passive earnings based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Next, select a savings product that aligns with your desired duration and annual percentage yield, also known as APY. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit, enter the amount you want to invest. It is crucial to review the interest calculation rules carefully to understand how your earnings will be generated. Confirm the subscription terms before finalizing your selection. Opting for locked products can yield higher returns, making it an attractive choice for those willing to commit their funds for a set period. Once you've subscribed to a savings product, you can monitor your daily interest accrual from your Binance dashboard. If you've selected a flexible savings option, you can redeem your funds whenever necessary. However, if you opted for a locked product, you will need to wait until the maturity date to access your funds. Regularly, reviewing your interest history will help you track your earnings effectively. It is advisable to avoid locking funds that you may need in the short term, as this can limit your liquidity. Finally, consider planning your reinvestment strategies based on your earnings and financial goals. Understanding how to manage your savings products will ensure a steady stream of passive income over time. Remember to keep an eye on market conditions and adjust your savings choices accordingly to maximize your returns. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.